iRick Guy here. Now, one of y'all, and actually not just one, but several of y'all have asked me, they're like, hey man, how do I set my a7 III, this is a Sony a7 III, how do I pair it with the app? You know, like you do when you were out in the field and you were using your iPhone as a glorified viewfinder. Well, here's how you do it. So turn on your a7 III. Just push the on button. Once your a7 III comes on, push the menu button. Now I've got a custom menu which is super nice, and that's a topic for another tutorial. I highly recommend putting things such as control with smartphone within your custom menu, but again, that's topic for another tutorial. So if you don't have a custom menu and you just want to enable smartphone access so you can control your camera with your smartphone and use the Playmemories app, go over to this icon. It looks like the little world, the circle with the little lines through it. And when you're there, it's on page 1. See, it says page 1. And all you do is go to CTRL-W/smartphone, control with smartphone. And then, you know, press your button. And then you'll do control with smartphone on. I don't like it always connected because, you know, it may more quickly drain your battery life. And then you just click connection. And once you've clicked connection, it'll probably pop this up and it'll show you the SSID. And what I did, see this right here, that's called a QR code. That funny looking thing to the top right. So all I did is pull out my iPhone, and I went into the camera in my iPhone, and I held the camera over that QR code. And by doing so, what it did, it added the SSID for my a7 III. So, you know, keep in mind though that when you enable control with smartphone, that from your iPhone you're going to need to go into general settings and, you know, your wireless network. And when you pair with it from your iPhone, you're going to look for the SSID of your a7 III. In my case, it's direct JKE1 blah 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 blah. So I would find that just like I would a wireless access point, and I would connect to it. And then once I'm connected to it from my iPhone, then I launch the Playmemories app. If you don't have Playmemories app, just go to App Store and you can find a download link, or check the link within this video's description. I've included a shortcut to it there. So I hope this video is of value. Be sure to subscribe, youtube.com/iRickSky. And check the link within this video's description to find the a7 III, the microphone like I'm using, this lens, and all the lenses like I use. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, iRickSky here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.